it is giving more flexible manner for teachers to teach and as well as the students to understand. In this, I can take different 2D figures and different 3D figures to demonstrate the students. And this is infinite board. For mathematics, it is very useful. We can create a lesson for any class and we can create the questions also so that the students can practice them. You can generate the lesson with images, videos, whatever that is. Those are all useful for students. So, and we can share this with the students in a PDF manner as soon as the class completes. So, whether it is physics or whether it is biology, whatever the subject is, the students are easily understanding the concept, and that is the reason we are loving this